Jud here. I'm getting ready to go in the pool, but before I do, I'm going to salt this steak because one of the directions said the first thing to do is salt it and let it set for an hour. So here's the steak. There's a filet mignon. There's 6/10 of a pound. I'm going to cut it in half. Red meat doesn't like me, and half of that will be just about right. Okay, well, I put some salt on it and some pepper, and then I put a little onion powder on it, and boy, that stuff comes out way too fast. So now I'm going to rub it all in, and then I'm going to go swim. Okay, there she is, rubbed in. Actually, thinking might as well have a look at the refurbished igloo while we're here. Have a look at the sky. How's that look? We got another one coming in. Oh man, that's gorgeous out here. Oh, got a plane up there. He's trying to get away. Now he's flying into the storm. And here's the igloo. The boardwalk's nice and solid and stable now and set in. And furniture's back in place. I still got to secure the edges of that top up there a bit. And sand is all distributed nicely. And now we shall hit the pool. Can you hear the sandhill cranes? There we go. It's been 1 hour. The steak's been sitting there for an hour, so I guess it's now time to cook it. I've just turned the pan on. I can't do cast iron because I've got this magic contact stove thing, but I've got that cranked up to 425, and I'm going to sear it in there. And I've got the toaster oven set to broil at 450. I'll transfer it into there on a broiling pan, and we'll see how it goes. Two other details. I don't get any butter. I can't eat real butter, so I'm using oil in the pan. The other thing I learned is what temperature to cook it to for what I want. I want medium, so I'm going to about 135. It says you go to like 125 for rare, 135 for medium, 140 plus for well done. So that's something new I didn't know before. So we'll see how this works out. Okay, also the other thing is to make sure it's good and dry. Thank you, Pam and others. About ready to put that in the pan. It's been heating for about 5 minutes now. I threw some salt in there. So we shall put it in there gently with the meat tongs and set our timer for 2 minutes. I can tell you one thing. I got way too much. I shouldn't have done the onion pan. I am smelling the onion heavy. I took most of that off. I took off what I could, rubbed it off, and dumped it off the plate. But there's still enough in there. I am really smelling the onion. I hope that adds a lot of flavor because I'm not a real onion person. Okay, I flipped it at 2 because it's looking like it's already cooking through. So I've just flipped it, and we're now doing 2 minutes on the other side. And by the time that's done, that toaster oven is going to be good and hot. There's what she's looking like in the pan. As you can see, it browned up nicely, or seared nicely. You can see the bottom edge there, that's cooking up a lot. So, okay, 2 minutes. Kill that. Get this. Get the broiler pan out. Ouch. There. Boom. Boom. Okay, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to go with 5 minutes because this is a small steak, and I don't know if you noticed, but when I picked it up, maybe you noticed it's like got a big split in it, so it's even smaller sections of that. So I don't want to overcook this thing. God, I don't want to overcook this thing. So I'm going to start with 5 minutes, and then I'll check the temperature and see what happens. Okay, just yanked it after 5 minutes and took a temperature, and it's sitting at 130 degrees and rising. So I'm going to kill it there. I'm going to stop it there, let that set up for 10 minutes. Hopefully we're going to come out real good on this baby. I hope. If not, it's Anna's fault, because she thought I was going to be funny. Okay, 10 minutes is up. Time to do it. We covered it with aluminum foil to keep it warm in the interim, as I was instructed. And now we'll pick it up and put it on this plate in a bed of salt. Let's see what we got here. This is the thinner side. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. I see red. You take a nice thin slice off this and taste it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Oh yeah, too much onion. Oh yuck. But the meat is good. Just got too much damn onion on there. Well, next time we'll just forget about that onion powder. Whose idea was that? Somebody told me to use the onion. You guys are all wacky with your onion. Salt and pepper, that's it. Okay, there you go. Cooking with Jud. Filet mignon. Not too bad. Not a failure. We'll give it a not a failure. Okay? And happy day to you. Bye-bye.